It's a sign of freedom and independence. They migrate back and forth from Mexico and America and all around the world.
The butterfly became the symbol of hope for many as several Texas cities take on the state to stop its sanctuary cities law. A federal judge has yet to make a decision on SB 4 after a hearing today.
And that made for a long day today inside the federal courthouse downtown. Eyewitness News reporter Andrea Martinez joins us now. And Andrea, obviously both sides of the lawsuit presented very strong cases before the judge today.
That's right, Jeff. Sarah, deliberations took place and took nearly 8 hours today. The courtroom was packed. They even had to turn people away. Now, MALDEF, the Mexican American Legal Defense and Educational Fund, says SB 4 violates several amendments, but supporters say this will only help keep criminals off the streets. Now, the law is set to take effect September 1st unless a federal judge can stop it.
SB 4 no more, no more. SB 4 no more.
Protests outside the federal courthouse downtown. Groups and advocates from across the state coming together in protest of the new state law banning sanctuary cities. It will allow police officers to question anyone legally detained or arrested about their immigration status. The law will also punish police agencies that do not cooperate with federal immigration authorities. Inside of a packed courtroom, two sides, advocacy groups fighting to block the law and lawyers with the state in support of the law. San Antonio City Councilman Ray Saldaña took the stand. When asked if he believes SAPD officers will take time away from their duties to inquire immigration statuses, his response was, unfortunately, yes.
I fear what could happen if we have an officer who decides that he's having a bad day today or he's had to address this home too much, that he wants to start enforcing immigration.
Ken Paxton's attorneys say that's not the case.
State and local officials are permitted, but not required, to inquire about immigration status in appropriate circumstances.
During some of the most heated moments today, the state tried to ask federal judge Orlando Garcia to let a judge in Austin take over the case. Bexar County Judge Nelson Wolf also took the stand this afternoon, saying he'd be fine with being removed from office by not complying with the law, adding only if Governor Abbott were removed from office for passing unconstitutional laws. The state, however, says the ban on sanctuary cities is entirely constitutional.
This is lawful, and the state feels confident that our arguments will ultimately prevail.
We expect Judge Garcia to make a ruling within a week and a half or so. He said the court will be working extensively on reviewing documents and the law. Also, if this gets appealed again, of course, it'll be heading over to the Supreme Court. In the studio, I'm Andrea Martinez. Back to you.